watching I Love I. My name is Nate, and we're at the Chop Shop, and they're gonna show us how to cook a perfect steak. Let's go. So I got my boy Yannick right here, and he's gonna cook us a medium rare steak. It's gonna be perfect. So basically, we got a prime rib, and as you can tell, they got fresh meats. They got everything from porterhouse to tomahawk. You name it, they got the cut. They got burgers. Oh, sorry, they got kebabs. And they get busy. They also cater too. So first, what are you doing first? You're marinating it, right?
Sir.
And this is like your house seasoning here?
This is our porterhouse seasoning, which is the dry rub.
Look at that, that's a thick steak too. And as you can tell, they also smoke their meat too. They got a tri-tip that they're smoking up there. So he's gonna throw it on the grill. And you guys use wood chips, right? Mesquite wood chips?
Mesquite, mesquite barbecue, yeah.
Oh man, so you can actually taste that flavor. And you see those grill marks on top once it's done?
These guys are done, so put it over here until the...
So how long do you have to keep the steak in there to make it medium rare? 8 minutes on each side. And as you can tell, this fire is really, it's not high. Those coals have been burning for a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, I can smell it. That woody smell. They cook everything from fish to shrimp. They got chicken. You guys got to check it out for yourself. They got some good stuff. They even got eggplant. Look at that.
How fresh it is. This is for our grilled veggie salad.
Okay.
We don't buy anything cooked. Everything is done home style.
Everything's in-house, huh?
In the house. We cook this and then we clean it, we grind it and make it into a salad.
Ooh, that's what's up.
It's like takes different time. Like New York, ribeye is the fastest cooking steak there is.
Okay.
It takes like just a couple of minutes to cook.
So ribeye's a couple minutes. It's been 8 minutes on one side. He just flipped it. We're almost done. Halfway. Let's go. Got the grill mark.
Yeah, well, I try to make like the X marks, but we try to make it as like professional.
You gotta try the tri-tip. If you haven't, check out that video right there.
That's right. Tri-tip for customers, medium rare.
Okay.
And it stays in a hot box. It doesn't stay a lot, but whatever it stays, it's a hot box.
Okay.
So it cooks throughout the day slowly.
So they actually slow cook their tri-tip, and they'll keep it rare to medium rare. And then if someone orders it, they'll cook it a little more. That's why you're throwing it on the grill. All right, so the steak's done. He's gonna take it out of the grill. Oh, I'm gonna do it. Oh, I got the honors of chopping it. Ooh. Got that drip. And that's how you cook a medium rare steak. Come check this place out. We're gonna put all their information down in the description below. You're gonna love them. They're gonna take care of you. Also, if you want to grill it yourself, just buy some meat. You can take it home to grill. But hey, make sure that you let them know that we sent you here. And also, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can watch more videos like this one. Share it with your family and friends because they'll love it. We'll catch you in the next video. I'm gonna eat the steak. Peace.